Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to create a poll in WhatsApp Web. Polls are a great way to gather opinions and make decisions within a group chat. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your computer. Step 2. Open the desired chat where you want to create the poll. Step 3. Click on the plus icon located at the bottom left corner of the chat window. Step 4. From the options that appear, select Poll. Step 5. Enter the question for your poll and the two answer options. If you want to allow multiple answers, simply check the box next to it. Step 6. Once you have entered the question and answers, hit the Send button. By following these 6 simple steps, you have successfully created a poll in WhatsApp Web. Now, everyone in the chat can vote and share their opinions. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.